In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for event RSVP tracking and management step by step. If you're planning an event and want a simple, organized way to track invited guests, confirmed attendees, and declines all in one place, this method will make your life so much easier. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional RSVP tracking system inside Monday.com. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first step is to create your event board. Log into your Monday.com account, and from your workspace, click on the plus Add button and select New Board. Choose whether you want it to be private, shareable, or public depending on your team's needs. For most events, a shareable board works great if you're collaborating with a team. Name your board something clear and simple, like Event RSVPs. This will be your central hub for managing all guest responses. Once your board is created, it's time to organize it using groups. Groups help you visually separate different categories of guests. Create 3 groups and name them Invited, Confirmed, and Declined. This structure gives you a clean overview of your event attendance at a glance. You can always add more groups later if needed, such as maybe or VIP guests, but these 3 are perfect to start. Next, let's add the essential columns to track all the important details. Start with a text column and label it Guest Name. This is where you'll enter the name of each person invited to your event. Then add a status column and label it RSVP status. Customize the labels to match Invited, Confirmed, and Declined. This column will be the key driver for tracking responses and triggering automations. After that, add a date column and label it Event Date. This is especially useful if you manage multiple events on the same board or want to filter by date later. Then add a People column and label it Event Coordinator. This allows you to assign responsibility to a specific team member who is managing communication or follow-ups for each guest. Now, let's make this system even more powerful by setting up automations. Click on the Automations button at the top of your board and select Add New Automation. Monday.com provides ready-made automation templates that are very easy to use. A great example for RSVP tracking is when status changes to confirmed, notify Event Coordinator. Select the status column, choose the confirmed label, and then set it to notify the person in the Event Coordinator column. This ensures that every time a guest confirms, the assigned coordinator is instantly notified without you having to manually send a message. You can explore additional automations as well, such as sending reminders or creating tasks when someone confirms. But for basic RSVP management, this notification automation is a perfect starting point. Now it's time to start adding your guests. Go to the Invited group and click on Add Item. Enter the guest name in the Guest Name column, set their RSVP status to Invited, choose the event date, and assign the event coordinator. Repeat this process for all your invited guests. If you already have a guest list in a spreadsheet, you can also import it directly into Monday.com to save time. As responses start coming in, simply update the RSVP status column. Change it from Invited to Confirmed or Declined based on the guest's reply. You can also drag and drop items between groups if you prefer a more visual workflow. As soon as you mark someone as confirmed, your automation will trigger and notify the coordinator automatically. Over time, your board becomes a real-time dashboard of your event attendance. You'll clearly see how many people are confirmed, who declined, and who still hasn't responded. You can even use board filters or create a dashboard view with charts to track confirmation rates and overall attendance projections. And that's it. You now know how to use Monday.com for event RSVP tracking and management in a simple, structured, and automated way. This setup keeps everything organized, reduces manual follow-up, and ensures your event runs smoothly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.